Hello everyone, and here we go. Today we are going to be doing Halloween nails because it is the season for that. And today I'm going to be using these pre-painted nails that I purchased on Shein. It's this brand over here. If you want to check it out, just check the links down below. And right now I'm just going to go ahead and file the free edge to remove the littlest plastic that comes with nails. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to start the nail art for today. So stay tuned. Now that I finished filing the free edge of the nail tips, I'm going to go ahead and place some white gel polish, some black gel polish, and that is gonna be the two polishes that I'm gonna be using to create the nail art that I did today. And this ones I purchased on Shein. This is the brand called Ailsa. They are not too bad. I think I would like to start buying like more high quality gel polishes, especially if I'm gonna use them directly on my natural nails. But I think that to make press-ons and to paint nail art, as long as the gel polish, is easy to work with, and this one is pretty opaque, so it's not too bad. You can use them for press-ons, but for my natural nails or to apply any gel colors on my daughters because they like to have their nails painted, maybe I should start investing in a more high quality gel polishes, like free of some other chemicals that I would like to have in gel polish. So as you can see, painting little ghosts is not that difficult. You just need a thin liner brush, then you make like a rounded shape at the top, and then at the bottom you leave it a little bit like flaky. It's like the little ghosts are flying or something like that. Once I have the two little ghosts painted, I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds, and then I will come back to do the little eyes just with a dotting tool, and then cure that as well for 60 seconds, and I will move on to the next nail. For this nail, I wanted to draw the face. I think it's like the Reaper face, it's called. And I was chosen when I have to do some nail art. I just look at pictures and I analyze them and see how they were made or painted, and that's what I did. So I went to look at some pictures online, and I saw that they do like the outer shape of the face first, and then they will do the inside with the black gel polish. And I think it didn't come out too bad, to be honest. I like it. What do you think, guys? How did I do? Be honest. I cure this first layer for 60 seconds, and then I move on to drawing the rest of the face. And I'm going to frame it as well. I think it gives it a better look. And it wasn't too hard to do. As long as you have like a small dotting tool, you can work with it. As you can see here, just moving it around slowly. And of course, before curing, you can always wipe out everything with alcohol or acetone and try again. And I do that a lot. I do make mistakes and to wipe it off and try again. It's only human that we just keep trying to make things work better. And for this face, it wasn't too hard. I think I did it at the first try, and I was happy about it. So I wanted to just leave it like this, and I didn't want to start playing too much with it, otherwise it would take me too long, and it worked out. I cured this for 60 seconds, and then I move on to the next nail. Here I just did a spider web. I'm gonna cure that for 60 seconds, and I'll be back to draw a little spider hanging down the web. It's so cute. But for the meanwhile, I was doing the thumbnail. I didn't have any more ideas, so I decided to do like a stitch type of design that I've seen in other nails around the internet, and that wasn't that difficult either. So first I draw this line around the Frenchy, I cure it for 60 seconds, and then I will draw the stitching design. Now I'm back to do the little spider hanging from the web, and I'm just doing a line down the nail, and then with the dotting tool I'm gonna create a little circle, like a spider shape kind of. I'm trying to do my best. Here I'm trying to clean the lines with acetone just to make sure they come out more thinner than thicker, because it looks better. And so now I'm just drawing the little circle. I'm gonna give it some shape like a spider would look kind of. And then I'm gonna draw the little legs and cure that for 60 seconds. In these other nails, I end up using some stickers, some bad stickers that I purchased on Shein. These ones are cute, these are not too bad, and they are black, so they go with the whole theme that I'm doing in black and white. As long as this one's laid nice and flat, you can just apply top coat and they will be good. On this nail, I'm just doing a mommy and I'm gonna do some eyes peeking through, and it's just gonna be with a dotting tool again. Dotting tools are really good to create fast little circles or things like that. They're very handy, and I have different size tips for dotting tools depending on what I want to create or draw, and they're very helpful. And as well, the very fine liner brush are very good as well to create some detailed nail art. I'm gonna be curing this for 60 seconds, and then I'm gonna go with the top coat, cure that for 60 seconds. I'm going to apply my nails with sticky tabs for press-on nails, and I'll come back with the final result. I'm very happy with the results for today. I just want to say thank you if you stay until the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're trying to do your own nails at home, I hope this tutorial was useful, at least for press-on nails. I hope you can use this as a reference video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a nice day.